Welcome to a Guardium quick technical demonstration on external STAPs. So what are external STAPs? Well, they're effectively proxies. They work like regular Guardium STAPs that sit on a database. Our target databases here we can't install database agents on because they're PaaS services, platform as a service services in the cloud. So we have to get our traffic another way. This is one way. There's some other technical demos I have that will talk about other ways we can get the traffic. But this is one way where we can connect via a external STAP proxy to the cloud database instead. Those STAP proxies forward traffic to the database and back to the client, but at the same time also send that stream of information to Guardium, and so at that point it looks a lot like a regular STAP. It goes through the sniffer, Guardium policy, and into the internal Guardium database. So the example I'm going to show you here is with Openshift. So these proxies, they run in containers, and the containers you can either run on just a regular Linux machine. That's up to you if you wanted a bare bones simple deployment, or you can use a orchestration platform like Kubernetes. Openshift is Red Hat's flavor of Kubernetes with some other stuff added to it. And so that's what I'm going to show you today. So we'll connect through some external STAPs, and then those external STAPs will keep Guardium informed about what is going on. Okay. So what's our target first? So our target is IIL AWS Lab SQL 1. It's at this endpoint. This is a AWS RDS instance. So and of SQL Server. So that's what we want to target. We can't install a Guardium agent here, so we need another mechanism to get the traffic. Over here in Red Hat OpenShift, I have a deployment, a external STAP deployment. You can see it's ramped up to 3 pods. This allows for load balancing and for high availability. So all 3 of these pods would have to die in order for the connection to the database to be unavailable. So that's a useful thing. And so these pods will capture the traffic and also facilitate communication to the database. There's some other things I created here that was required. I created a service here, this exposed service and a route, but that's standard OpenShift stuff. Okay, so I'm going to show you here to prove to you we're capturing traffic. Let me show you what the external STAP looks like inside Guardium. So in external STAP control, here it is. You can see it says we have 3 healthy members ready to go, and there we have an external STAP that's registered. So what we're going to do now is generate some traffic. So we're going to do some operations on a table called demo2. We will bring it up here when I can find it. There it is. All right. So we're going to create a table called demo2. We're going to insert 4 records. We're going to select star, and then we're going to drop it. So we're going to connect here. Okay. We'll execute this. Okay, 5 successful SQL statements. That was me communicating via the Guardium External STAP proxies. And there you go. We have 1, 2, 3, 4 inserts, a select, a drop, and a create. So that's how that all works. At that point, it looks a lot like regular Guardium. All right, thanks for taking a look at my demo on external STAPs, Guardium, Amazon RDS, and OpenShift.